All right, why is this electric fireplace heater flying off the shelves on Amazon? So there's two big reasons, but I'm gonna go through everything with you. One, it's very effective. It heats everything up very quickly. Two, it just sets an amazing vibe. The fireplace vibe, that's one of my favorite vibes. And this gives you that without any of the downsides. Also love how compact it is. So everything can be controlled with this remote right here, as well as there's the control settings right here. So we can control the temperature, which I'm having it up at 90 degrees right now, and it heats up very quickly. You got the timer where you can set it to go off anywhere between 1 and 12 hours. And you've also got the flame right here. You can adjust the dimness. So right, that's the brightest setting. There's 2, 3, 4, and then it shuts off. So if you ever want to do this thing without the fireplace vibe, but you want the heat to be running, you can do that. It's all up to you. I love the fireplace vibe. So this thing is just great. I love it. And I see why everyone's buying it, flying off the shelves on Amazon. Makes perfect sense to me. You should get it too.